Hey everyone, it's Victor Basa and I have with me now the all-new V9 smartphone from Vivo. This has 64GB ROM, 4GB RAM, a rear dual camera, 24MP front camera, full view display, AI face beauty, and AI smart engine. This detects your age, sex, skin texture, skin tone, and lighting environment. The Vivo V9 runs Android 8.1 Oreo-based FunTouch 4.0 and features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus in-cell IPS. With full view display panel with 19:9 aspect ratio, powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 626 SoC coupled with 4GB of RAM. But I said that. The smartphone has a vertically positioned rear dual camera and has 5MP and 60MP image sensors. So let's open this baby up. All right. Now the first thing we're going to do is start up the phone. Keep in mind that I sped up the video a little bit for video purposes. But the V9 starts very quickly. It has 4GB RAM and a very capable processor. And aesthetically, it looks really great. It's mostly screen and it has that immersive appeal that a lot of users will enjoy. 24MP front camera, has rear dual cameras, and the full view display is stunning. As I mentioned earlier, it also has the AI face beauty and AI smart engine, which detects your age, sex, skin texture, skin tone, lighting environment to make sure that your shots look amazing. Has a very premium feel and look to it. It's a good weight as well. It's 150 grams. Features a 3260 milliamperes non-removable battery. It's very slim. Screen to body ratio is very high. Now to check the package contents, we have the clear case, the jelly clear case, and the SIM ejector pin, and the charger, which is a fast charger. It's 5V and 2A, and the cable for those still using a micro USB. You'll still be able to use your micro USB cables, and the hands-free headphone set. Oh, and Shopee also launches Shopee Gadget Zone, where you can find a selection of gadgets that you can purchase in Shopee with the lowest price guaranteed. Shopee Gadget Zone can be found on the site app on the main page with a circle that says Gadget Zone. The selection includes TVs, mobiles, accessories, home theater, karaoke, mobile accessories, cables, power banks. The Shopee Mega Electronics Sale will also be launched with the Shopee Gadget Zone. Shopee will also be having Shopee Electronics Week with great discounts up to 95% off from the big mobile gadget brands. That includes Vivo, and that offers an exclusive bundle. If you buy the X21, you get a free speaker. Once again, this is Victor Basa. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing for the Vivo V9, and I hope to see you guys again. Don't forget to click subscribe if you're viewing this on YouTube, and leave comments and suggestions as well, how I can unbox better for your viewing. So hope to see you guys soon, and God bless.